Hey, my name is Matt Borland from Taqtile. Today I'm going to show you the basics of the user interface on Manifest. So right when you log in, you'll notice the dock right in your field of view. Right now, it's a tag-along dock, meaning it just kind of floats with me. So as I move my head and as I walk around, this is going to stay right in my field of view, maybe about 5 feet in front of me. On the top left, you'll notice these 3 horizontal lines. I can pinch to select that and drag my interface anywhere I like. If I'd like to pin it in a specific location, I can hit the pin icon, and that's going to anchor it exactly where I left it. So now if I walk around, if I move my head, you'll notice that that's fixed right on the wall. Let's walk through some of the core functions on the dock here. So starting from the top down, user settings. If I select my profile picture or my initials, I can open up the settings. I'll go ahead and close that out. You'll also notice this green dot by my profile picture. If that dot is green, that indicates that I'm online and I'm available through Manifest Connect. However, if it's red, that tells me that I don't have a persistent network connection. Moving down, you'll notice the home icon. So if I select home, I can view my recent activity, any favorites that I've selected, or my work specifically. Below that, I have the search icon. I can enter any text here to search Manifest, and this will populate things like templates, jobs, asset classes, locations, etc. A pro tip is that if you don't enter anything into the search field, this is just going to populate everything in my domain. Below that, I have locations. I have the work tab, which will show me the job board. I can scan asset tags or QR codes, access alerts, offline content, and finally, Manifest Connect. What you'll notice is that every time I opened a window, it added more to my dock here. And I can grab any of these individually. So here I could minimize a window, I could pin it in place, I could move it, or I could close it out. So what I can do is maybe move my chat window to a different location. I can pin it up there. Maybe I'll minimize this one. I'll close that out. And finally, if I wish to unpin my entire user interface, I can deselect that pin icon. And again, it's now tagging along with me.